Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about our good old friend XRP. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for number one, reaching out and requesting this update. If you want to see a continuation of these XRP updates, all you have to do is smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below that you want to see more of these updates, and I will try my absolute best to give you guys these updates as much as possible. So I'm sure you guys are looking at the screen right now and you are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. In terms of percent wise, it's nothing too crazy. It is obviously seeing a little bit of a retracement, but nothing too crazy because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor shakeout, and that is obviously causing the majority of the coins to be down. But in the grand scheme of things, it's not too major. But only a handful of coins are up right now. XRP up 4% right now. XLM as well up 3.1%. We know the correlation between the two. We have seen how things kind of play in favor for both of them. If XRP moves, we do see XLM acting like it's a little brother, and actually little brother or sister, and actually goes up with it in terms of massive moves. But let's take a look at XRP a little bit closer. Even though we don't talk about XRP on my channel, this is one of the projects that I do keep an eye out on a daily basis. Of course, this project has been through so much. It has been through literally a massive roller coaster ride, a lot of ups and downs. But the community, the XRP community is so powerful, guys, that you cannot play with the XRP army. Despite so much ups and downs, there's people that actually believed in the project to this day and are actually holding and actually picked up the bloodbath where no one wanted to touch XRP. So I wish the best of luck for XRP. I always have good wishes for him because as you guys know, if you do follow me on my channel from the beginning, this is the first coin that I invested into back in 2016 when it was really cheap, and it made me really good gains. Even though I ended up losing all those gains eventually later down the road, but still it has a really special place in my heart. And they have some major developments coming for itself right now. So let's take a closer look, see what is happening, and when I pull out the charts, things will really make sense. This is something a lot of people are ignoring right now. XRP actually is holding really good right now, and it speaks for itself. Of course, compared to the last cycle and compared to where we are right now, things have changed a lot and more in the favor of XRP. So it's kind of replicating, I think, the 2016 to 2017 type of move rather than the 2020 bull run that we did see, 2020 to 2021. So let's take a closer look and see what is happening with XRP's price. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, almost 63 cents right now. It's up 5.2% in BTC, comparative market valuation at $35 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $2.1 billion. There is some major announcement coming. You can see the intersection of blockchain technology and traditional finance is rapidly evolving, and Brazil is the latest focal point. Recent announcements suggest that XRP Ledger could play a pivotal role in transforming the nation's financial landscape. A key development is that Brazilian governments express interest in tokenizing treasury bonds and exploring the potential of digital real DREX. This aligns with the capabilities of XRPL, which offers a robust platform for creating and managing digital assets. So this is really interesting to see. You can see this for yourself as well. Ripple Chief Legal Officer Stewart has revealed that Ripple has a business agreement with the Central Bank of Brazil. Of course, right now, a lot of meme coins, this and that, you can sometimes kind of ignore the projects that actually are bringing real use case. And XRP is one of them. Despite going through such a massive roller coaster ride, as mentioned, it's still, and this is what a lot of people won't focus on. It's still ranked as the top 6 project in the cryptocurrency market ranks. The top 6, and it has gone through a lot, of course, as we know, but I'm very impressed as to the developments that are coming out. Of course, the lawsuit is still going right now, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let me know in the comments down below what excites you the most about XRP. But I do believe XRP touches a new all-time high this cycle because, of course, look what's happening with Solana. Look what's happening with the likes of Ethereum. If Ethereum is not a security, what makes XRP a security? And I know a lot of people now are starting to say that they are kind of realizing, hold on, XRP actually isn't a security. So from that standpoint alone, and in terms of investors' confidence, it has increased quite substantially. And now if we start hearing Wall Street or some of these big firms, focusing on XRP, I think this could be, a pivotal game changer. Anyhow, if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance actually did make its way down to 55.8% today, but it made its way back above 56% right now. We were very, very close to hitting a yearly high in terms of Bitcoin dominance index. And again, that kind of shows you what's happening with BTC. And I do believe if Bitcoin breaks towards a new all-time high, which I think is coming sooner than a lot of people think, I personally project that dominance will hit a new yearly high because of course that's just what happens. Money does flow into Bitcoin when that tends to happen. But anyhow, if you're looking at BTC right now, it's above $66,000, still $66,138 to be specific. But we're holding at some very key support levels. But of course, if this support does not hold, a potential $64,668 retest could be in play once again. But if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin, you can kind of notice a little bit of a trend, higher high, higher low, really playing out for the price itself as we are breaking towards the upside. So far so good. But let's take a look at what's happening with XRP. So this right here is the historic price pattern for XRP, and you can see this for yourself. Actually, this chart kind of only goes over the 2021. I will bring out the proper chart for you guys in the next video. Obviously, I want you guys to smash that like button, but the all-time high for XRP was around $3.30, give or take, depending on what exchange you were on. But anyhow, if you're looking at XRP right now, guys, it actually did make its way just July 4th. Now, forget about, what I want you guys to forget about right now is these prices. I don't want you guys to be focusing on, the 61.8, the 0.50, 38.2. You only want to be focusing right now where it's currently at right now. And, it's back in this blue zone. So basically what you want to look at for this blue zone is, we did go back to this blue zone pretty much in March, when the whole market was booming. We went up to 74.75 cents. And obviously we had a huge rally back in July where we actually went into the 61.8. And again, this itself should tell you how fast, things can go in favor of these projects. Literally doubled the market valuation literally back then. And that just shows you, the market can move up in a snap of a finger. And there's still a lot of people on the sidelines for XRP itself. But anyhow, if you're looking at this, what I want you guys to focus on right now is this, July 5th, the price of XRP was at 38.7 cents. If you picked it up, guess what? You're up 65%, literally 65% in less than 1 month. And now what you're noticing with XRP is, of course, as it's trying to break out, we do have significant amount of resistance around here. If this resistance is able to break out, I think off it goes towards the yearly high, which is a 74 to 75 cents a price where we were. And that would be a 20% increase from where we currently are. And Bitcoin is looking bullish right now, even though it's seeing a little bit of a retracement. What if I told you Bitcoin is looking still very, very bullish? You will see obviously shakeouts happening with the crypto space. That happens. You just need to not be impacted by that, especially in a bull market. And I still do believe we have another all-time high for Bitcoin. I'm very confident about that. I do think that we're going to see that altcoin rally, and I think XRP is going to feel a lot of love this cycle, which it didn't last cycle, because of course a lot of good things happening for XRP rather than bearish things. And as you know, Central Bank of Brazil, is that a small announcement by any means? Absolutely not. If this announcement came out, if everything was going perfect for XRP, this would have taken off on another level. But I'm liking what I'm seeing here. This trend is really nice. Obviously a lot of resistance around here, but if this resistance, guys, is able to break out, I think XRP goes up to that 74 cents quite fast, and potentially even getting back into the 61.8, which we haven't seen since last year. And that is going to be a game changer. Once the price of XRP gets into this zone right here, especially back above 85.58 cents, this is a game changer in my opinion. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know in the comments down below what excites you the most about XRP, and what makes you excited about XRP when you obviously dollar cost averaging, and when you're holding and when you're looking at it, what is the exciting factor for XRP for you? Let me know down below, and of course let me know if you want to see more updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.